Yes people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 1 85 Varsity Red. Arguably the most hyped Air Jordan 1 of recent times, this shoe is taking it back to 1985. But before we get into the sneaker itself, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button down below because it really does help out the channel. I'm going to admit it straight away, I'm not the biggest Jordan head out there, so you can let me know if I get anything wrong about the history of the AJ1. But this sneaker right here is taking it back to the OG. We have a newly shaped toe box and the whole sneaker itself looks an absolute banger. Coming with bread vibes all the way across it, this Varsity Red colorway is incredible. We're talking premium black leathers on the underlay, nice supple leather coming on the red overlays, nice crisp white midsole, and then the red on the bottom of the sneaker itself. This is setting Jordan heads all over the world crazy because we have got the original shape back, we've got the original hang tag, and we've even got some spare laces, and they are super limited. As you can see right here, from the premium dust bag, only premium from Jordan brand, there is only going to be 23,000 pairs available. This pair right here, we don't have a number on this one, just a mishap here. As you can see, another premium dust bag. This pair right here is number 10,483 of 23,000. So as you can imagine, because of their limited nature, the resale price on these is going to be crazy. We're already talking upwards of £800 on certain reselling sites, and there are only £150 to begin with. You are making absolute bank on this shoe, but as per usual, wear your goddamn sneakers, because this is a bit of history right here. Releasing at limited retailers, and I'm not gonna lie, they're all raffles. So good luck, because this is going out on Friday and they release this Saturday. So the likelihood of you getting a pair through raffles is very, very low right now. But guess what? Sneakers will be getting them, so you do have a hope in hell. And because I'm such a nice guy, I will leave a link down in the description to the product page for this shoe. I've been Chris from the Sole Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Jordan 1 85 High. And I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm in love with a pair of Jordans for a change. We'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing, and make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. See ya.